We are pleased to show you the 2016 XJ. The Jaguar XJ has a strong, refined V8 engine, and the 6-speed automatic was very smooth, a true leader in their class, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, overhead console, heated front seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.